Viva Vault CRM tutorial for beginners. So if you're looking to learn Viva Vault CRM, Viva's enterprise CRM solution built on the Vault platform. So here's pretty much a beginner's tutorial on how to use this application. So of course, if you want to go ahead and get started with the CRM, you're gonna have to log in. And if you do have an account already, that's what you should do first, of course. But if you don't, you can go ahead and sign up. You can go to your preferred browser and search for Viva and start with your details in order to sign up for Viva. Once you have, all you have to do to log in is put in your username and then the password for that specific account. So Viva Vault CRM is a cloud-based CRM designed specifically for the life sciences industry, used by pharmaceutical and biotech fields teams to manage healthcare providers, relationships, present content, log activities, and track samples, all within a regulated, compliant environment. In the late 2025, it's pretty much a transitioning away from a Salesforce and becoming natively integrated into Viva Vault. So again, once you have pretty much logged in, you can start with the core features and workflow of Viva. So the account and calls, you can browse your list of HSC accounts and review recent call history and smart insights. Before visiting an HCP though, you're gonna have to prepare by reviewing recent notes or AI-driven suggestions for that account. During the visit, log call objectives, attach follow-up actions, and mark outcome status. You can do presenting CLM contents, closed loop marketings, and you can create custom presentations by selecting relevant slides to tailor messaging. Viva tracks what you show, so this is useful for analytic and audits. Again, there are demos and tutorials that allows you to learn more about the features inside Viva. So if you want to go ahead and learn more specifically and more efficiently about those, you can always go ahead directly to their official website. Speaking of features, there's also the advanced tools and admin setups, reportings and dashboards, permissions and licensing, admin tracking for power users, and workshops like Vault CRM and Belmont help experienced users transition from legacy Viva CRM to Vault natively. But again, Vault CRM is designed to provide fast, compliant, and insightful flight level CRM performance for life sciences professionals. With user-friendly mobile and desktop access, built-in CLM capabilities, robust data capture, and involving AI features. Vault CRM helps streamline call execution and operation insight. So, if you want to go ahead and use this tool, you can go ahead to your preferred browser and always search for Viva. You can download their app there. There's a desktop and mobile version where you can learn more about the tool itself. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.